Uni of Ife, Oba Ogunwusi's son, Prince Tadenikawo, was celebrated in a special way on his third birthday. The little boy turned the new age on November 18, 2023, and his mother, the former Queen of Ife, penned down a sweet note on social media to mark the occasion. Tadenikawo, the one whose crown must be considered first, surely he came with the mark. Queen Naomi reveals the powerful meaning behind her son's name as he marks third birthday. The ex-queen celebrated her son who turned 3 on Saturday, November 18. Taking to her Instagram page to share photos of the monarch's mini-me, she expressed how the story of his becoming is sweet. Queen Naomi went on to reveal the meaning behind her son's name, which is a symbol of his royalty. Harde Remi, the one who came and brought comfort to us, our dearest Tanware, the one we seek, Harde Shina, the door opener, Jehovah has blessed me with his very own. Happy third birthday, Prince Tadenikawo. Omo Oba Ogunwusi. Many happy returns, dear Prince, may you live long to fulfill your destiny.